Another cool feature which comes with Excel 2016 is quick analysis. So what is quick analysis? Let us see. Suppose I select this table. As soon as I select this table, I'll get this small pop-up. I'll put a cursor here. You will see the shortcut is Control Q. I'll click this option. It will give me all the important features of Excel in one go. So in formatting, I can use the data bar. So this will give great visibility to my data. I can see if my data is increasing or decreasing. I can add colors to my data. This is another cool feature to add the icon set. So you will see it is adding multiple icons to my data. I can also include the rule of greater than, less than. These are all features of conditional formatting, which also we are going to cover in a new video. But this is just a glimpse that all these great features comes with quick analysis. Also, I can highlight the top 10 within the data. I can also clear all these rules. Another option which we get is charts. So I can select any chart I like and I can add these charts to my data. Another thing which I get is totals. So I can add the totals to my table. You can see in row number 12 the total is added. I can add average. I can add the count. I can add the percentage total. I can add the running total. Also I can add the sum in column F. I can see the sum is added. Another thing which I get is table. So I can create the normal table here like this. I can create a pivot chart. I can create a pivot table. So multiple type of tables I can create. Also I can add the spark lines in front of my data. This will give me the great visibility. So all these cool features come at a one. And if quick analysis was not there, we would have gone to different tabs to get the same features. So quick analysis becomes very convenient to use the same features at one place.